In today's video, we're going to cram a lot of parts into a tiny little boat. Step 1 is to line up the drive shaft and the motor. Make sure they line up correctly or your boat won't track correctly. Or will it track correctly? I think I just said that. It means that the boat won't go straight, basically. Next, we're going to install the ESC. It's also an ESC dual receiver unit. It helps steer the boat, as well as make the boat go. A micro servo to save weight. Few modifications and a few prick fingers later, and we have a servo rod. These little bad boys are going to help stabilize the boat. And in goes the 7.4 lipo battery. Not much planning was done when I thought how I was going to put this battery in here, because there's not much room, it's such a tiny boat. So I'm fumbling away trying to figure out what the heck I'm going to do. So basically the idea here is to just build a box, figure it out later. Okay, let's get the battery in and see how she fits. Once the battery went in, I realized that I was going to need some sort of a tie down. I think tape will be necessary to hold this battery in place. Okay, so this design was a total dog. It was very unstable. It ends up flipping right boop here. Check out the next footage with the stabilizers added.
Oh, that was good.
That's it. That's the end of that battery.
Yep.
That's the end of that battery.
There's the 10 minutes, but it's supposed to be 10 minutes.
Ooh, she took on some water, look.
Oh.
Oh, it's still working good.